Hello and welcome back to my channel. I am Ranita. Let's make instant peda today. This peda will be ready instantly within 5 to 10 minutes. Before we get started, if you are new here and haven't subscribed to my channel yet, then please consider subscribing and click the notification bell so that you'll be notified every time I upload a new video. Note down or screenshot this super simple recipe. So let's get started and powder our roasted chana. Transfer chana into a blender and blend it into a fine powder. Now transfer this roasted chana flour into a clean bowl. Now add condensed milk. Now the amount or proportion of condensed milk completely depends upon the softness and the thickness of the dough you are going to make. Altogether I have added about 4 to 5 tablespoons of condensed milk. Initially mix it with a spoon until the condensed milk and gram flour combines well with each other. You can add a little bit of cardamom powder to enhance the flavor, although it's optional. At last, start kneading with your clean hands until the mixture forms a soft dough. Add condensed milk generously if needed. Once the kneading is done and you are happy with the dough that is formed, start rolling small balls of dough and pat them into the shape of peda. Top it with an almond and make it look more beautiful. Almonds can be replaced with cashews, raisins or any other nuts. I hope you found this recipe useful and you'll try it as well. If you've tried any of my recipes, share pictures on Instagram and tag me there. Also, don't forget to follow me on all my social medias, to which links are provided in the description box below. Check them out. Thanks a lot for subscribing and sharing. Thanks for watching.